What if some of the coolest car gadgets on Amazon could actually make your drive better? From clever tech to surprisingly useful inventions, today we're checking out some of the most interesting car accessories you can get right now. If you love discovering cool car finds, keep watching. And if something catches your eye, you'll find all the links down in the description. Let's get into it. Tired of your phone mount wobbling or falling off mid-drive? This one locks securely to your air vent, holds even big phones steady. One-hand operation, easy to dock and undock while you drive. 360-degree rotation lets you switch between portrait and landscape. Once you try this, you'll never go back to flimsy mounts. Most car fans just blow weak air right in one spot. This powerful fan circulates air across your entire back seat. Multiple speed settings, quiet enough to hear your music over. Plugs right into your 12V outlet, easy to install anywhere. This is what a car cooling fan should be. Is your trunk a mess of loose stuff rolling around? This organizer keeps groceries, tools, and gear neatly in place. Multiple compartments and non-slip bottom, stays put when you turn. Folds flat when you don't need it, saves space. No more messy trunk after this. Too much sun glare and heat coming through your windows? This tint kit blocks UV rays and keeps your car cooler. Easy DIY installation with clear instructions included. Reduces glare for safer driving and protects your interior. Make your drive more comfortable and private. And that's it for today's gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more cool car accessories, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to check out any of the gadgets featured today, all the links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.